Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the scan now. Connect your scanner or enable your iPhone as a scanner over the same Wi-Fi. Once done, open Preview and choose File Import from Scanner. Preview shows available devices. Select the device and a basic preset like color or black and white so you get immediate feedback. Make a preview pass to see cropping edges. This saves time versus full scans. You're doing the first actionable steps to capture a clean, editable image before adjusting quality settings. Next, refine the how and why of your scan. Set resolution to 150-300 dpi for readable text or 300 plus dpi for photos, because resolution affects clarity and file size. Choose file type, PDF for multi-page documents or JPEG/PNG for single images, and pick a destination folder so files go where you expect. Use the preview crop handles to frame content precisely, and apply basic color correction if needed. Finally, review every scan page in Preview. Rotate, crop, and use file export as PDF or save to finalize format and file name. To combine pages, open the PDF thumbnail sidebar and drag pages into order, then save the combined document. If you need OCR, import the PDF into Notes or a dedicated app. If the scanner isn't detected, restart the scanner and your Mac, confirm USB or Wi-Fi connection, and open Image Capture to force redetection. This quick reset resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.